install our 4th gen complete antenna. Here are the options on antennas you have to choose from when you order the kit. Your order will include antenna, retaining nut, bezel, and antenna mast, as well as instructions. Today we will be installing the complete antenna on this 98 Trans Am. It does fit 93 to 02 Camaros and Firebirds as well. First, you're going to need to remove this plastic panel in your trunk. The part of the antenna that isn't visible is above the spare tire, so we are removing this in order to access it. For this install, this is the only part of the car that you will need to access. There are no connections needed to your radio. Here we are just removing the jack and the spare tire.
Okay.
This is what the old antenna looks like that we're going to remove. Unplug your old antenna. Once you get it unplugged, you want to remove the adapter that's on the top on the outside of the car. Carefully slide it out so not to damage your car. Remove the stock angle adapter. And it should look something like this before you start your new install. When you receive your product, the angle adapter, spacer, and nut will all be attached to your antenna. You just want to remove those before installation. Position the antenna through the hole in the quarter panel.
Get up close and personal.
And then attach the angle adapter, spacer, and the nut. Tighten the nut down, but do not over tighten it. Be sure the antenna is positioned where you want it before tightening down the nut. Should look a little something like this. Once the antenna is installed, plug in the wire. Here Here we are just using some electrical tape to tape up and secure the other wires in the trunk. Now the install is finished and you're ready to put on your antenna mast. Like I said, we have a couple options on the antenna mast. This is what the 3-inch one looks like. This is the 4-inch billet mast. This is the 6.75-inch rubber mast. This one is made to give you the best reception. Here is the 7-inch tall antenna and the 32-inch tall antenna. You just have to put all this stuff back in and you're done. Most short antennas are constructed of aluminum or steel. This has a copper coil and is up to 85% more conductive, allowing it to pick up more radio stations. That is why we stated that the 6.75-inch rubber mast was the best for picking up reception. If you are not concerned with reception and going to be using Bluetooth or something like that, then any one of the other antenna options would be great. All right, y'all, that is it for today. Leave any questions or comments below, and y'all have a great day.